this will be our first tutorial in the graphic design training. So the tutorial is Introduction to Pixellab. I know most of us have come across this app. Most of us have actually used this app. Most of us are masters in this app, but want to learn more. So anyway, round, I'm doing an introduction so that each and every one of us will be carried along in the course of this tutorial. So firstly, this rectangle, no, square box you're seeing, the square box you're seeing, this yeah, is called your canvas. This is where everything that you are doing on Pixellab, like audio design, maybe like you'll be placing your shapes, placing your text on this canvas. So let's take note of that. So we are going to be looking at the tools under, then we move up, and we're going to be very fast about it. But as we start designing, you will get used to the tools and know the tricks and other things. So if you look under, under here, yeah, we are going to be starting with the tools under here. So the first tool we are going to be starting is this 3 circles. So as you can see here, when you click on these 3 circles, it brings you to this place where they say my project and other backgrounds, which you will not be needing. You will not be needing. So you go to my project. This is where all the designs you have made previously will be shown. And this icon that has an A shape is actually your text tool. So this text tool, if you click on it, the text tool. So this is, it will give you this where you can actually like put in your text. So when you click on edit, so it will, once you click on edit, it will take you here. So let's type something. Let's type ROCF. Okay, you can actually like make it to be all caps. So this is it. So we have actually written our text. So this is for delete, this is for copy. See, that's copied. Okay, this is, maybe I want to place this is, if I want to place this to here, if I want to place this particular tool you're seeing, if I want to place this thing in front, like this arrow shape that I did in front, I want to place it in to back. That is when you use this tool that looks like two squares. So this tool that you're seeing that has arrow shape, 4 arrow shapes, when you click on it, is to like move your text. Like click on this to move it like this, click on this to move it like this. So this helps you with how speedily you want it to move. So if you click, like if I move it to the highest, like I think it's more fast. If I put it to the lowest, see, it's more slow. Okay, so let's move over to the next one. So this one is your relative position. This helps you with alignment. So I want to align, if I want to align this text RCF on the middle, I'll click this one here. So if I want to click it, that's align it to the middle. I want to align it by the side, I'll click like this. See, there's a line by the side. So this actually helps you with alignment sometimes, most times. Okay, so let's continue. So this size, this if to size your this helps you to size your text. So if you increase it, your text is increased. If you reduce it, your text is reduced. So if sometimes this tool doesn't allow us to like make like enlarge the text to our text. So you can just click on this circle shape on the text, and it will help you to adjust your text to your desired size. Okay, next one is spelling. Okay, I don't know, I'm going to show you this, but it helps you to like pattern your, most times when you use this is when you have like a shape at the back of your text, which we might not show in this tutorial, but at the course of the other tutorials you'll be seeing how properly you can use this. So the next one is your color. Very important, so very important too. So this helps you to change the colors of your text. So this text, we want it to be red. Now let's use blue. Okay, so just click on blue. See it, maybe you want only R to be blue, come here, blue, and then want your C to be red, come here, red, and then want your F to be red. Just be shifting this to the particular this in text alphabet you want it to like change color. So I want this to be this color. Very funny color combination, but it's cool. So let's look at gradient. This another type of coloring. See if you click here, see it will change it. Gradient is most like a combination of 2 colors that match together on the color wheel. So sometimes the color is not matching together. It doesn't make sense if you use it on the text. So let's check this. Okay, this is cool. But the next one, which is texture. Texture is if you want to add an image to your text. So let's click on it and let's see. Okay, let's use this. This is perfect. As you can see this. So we are going to place this image inside the text using texture. So are you seeing it? We have already placed it on the text. And can scale it like so however we like. Maybe you want it to be like this. Don't scale it to be bold like this. I think I prefer this. Okay, let's move over to the next one. So next is opacity. This helps us to reduce how visible our text is. So if we do this, I think that's reduce, faded. Most times you use this for blending we use it for blending in Pixellab. But as I would say and continue saying, you get to know the tricks of these tools at the course of the tutorial. Let's continue. So next thing is rotate. This helps you to rotate your text however you want. You see, yeah. Okay. Very funny. So the next we are going to be looking at is okay. Let's this mask code helps you to mark some parts of the text. Okay, maybe you want some of part of the legs to be cut out. So just use this one. Adjust it. So want it to be, see, this one is out, this one is in, and this other two we're going to make sure it's add later on. So just know that this helps you to mark some parts of the text. So this one, your font icon. So this helps you to change the font of your text. So this is the font I've put in Pixellab, like I've put in Pixellab. So I'll also teach you how to like put your fonts, like to download fonts in Pixellab, but it will not be in this tutorial. So let's use this crazy font. So let's press okay. Okay, see the fonts here. So let's make it, you can make it bold, you can make it italics, you can underline it, but this one doesn't have, like it's already cut. I know, remember when I will mask some parts of this text, so it will not show us very well. So if you want to remove all these things that we did, you just press this T that have a slash on it, so that's gone. So next one is your background. So I want to add a background, but on this shape, but it's not necessary. So as you can see, so the next one is alignment. This helps you to align your text. It helps when you like write multiple text, like you have paragraphs, like text with paragraphs and other things. So it actually helps you to align it. It will not actually work with this, but you see the function later. So this one is for spacing. Maybe you want to space the letters. If it's words that are here, you can just press and space your words. So this one is line spacing. This one is this with text that has paragraphs, and so it can help you to space it on the session. So we'll not actually work on this. So this one is stroke. This is very, very, very interesting tool we should be using most often. I can use it often. So when you click it, see, so it's giving us a stroke. So let's change the stroke to okay. So okay. So increase it. I see it. So we have added let's just wait. So we have added a stroke on this. So this helps you to resize the size of the stroke that you applied on text. You can actually change the colors to gradient, so depending on what you like. So the next one is shadow. This adds shadow to your text. So let's see. I see it. So you can change the color of your shadow. You can say I want blue shadow, so it to be glowing. It's your choice. So you can reduce the opacity of the shadow. As you can see, the shadow is fading off. You can increase the blurriness. You can also like make it to glow, as I said earlier. Put it by the side, depending. This one like the place that you want the shadow to fall on more. So that is it. So let's look at the next one. Inner shadow. This adds shadow inside your text. The other one that we did adds shadow at the back of your text, but this one adds inside your text. So let's look at it. Click. So see, that's added shadow in our text. So maybe let's change the color to this. See, I see the changes. So I see it. This thing is glowing. So you want to like see, this thing is shifting. As you can see, I see the stroke inside it. So depends on what you want. Someone's like. So the next one is emboss. This helps you like it gives a 3D effect to your text. Sometimes it breaks your text, but there's a hack to it, which we're going to be learning later. So see, it's broke. I tell like it's cut it. So let's try to resolve this issue. Alright. So let's try to resolve this issue. So I send so. Okay, this helps with lightning. Where you want the light to fall more on. Come to the side. Then intensity. No, it's too bright. This is okay. Then this one, light to hardness. I see what it's giving us. So this one is beautiful. Isn't this cool? This is cool. I don't like the blue at the back, but it's cool. So I think so. See the cool text that we have made. So this one is a perspective. Maybe you want it to slate. You want like different dimensions. So this helps you with that. So I see it. What it's giving us. See what it gave us. It's cool, right? So use your 3D text. Want to give this 3D more 3D effects. So click on it. I see it. See the 3D effect that it's giving us. So can darken it or lighten it. We don't know what we want. Can rotate it. I seen this. This is cool. So I seen this. So this is for our this thing, our text. I seen this. We're going to be looking at is our shadow. This gives you shadow under the text. So let's see. I seen it, but me I want to advise you to use it. It's not actually really beautiful on this actually. So, but let's see. Okay, that's cool. So the next thing is reflection. So you want to have a reflection of this RCF, like a reflection. I just click on it. I see it's giving us a reflection. See, I think it's okay. Cool. So the next thing we are going to be looking at is this shape here. Please comment on the this thing on the YouTube comment section. Type what this shape is being called. I would love somebody to type it. So okay, this helps you to import images to your canvas, helps you to draw on your canvas, helps to add in shapes to your canvas, helps you to like busier, like gives you busier tool and then your arrow tool. So let's start from import. This stickers is not necessary, but it has Pixellab give us a very cool stickers in case if you need this. Let's look at import. So let's import something. Let me go to my download. So let's import something. So let's import this. Okay, so this helps us to import the stuff to Pixellab. So you can use this circle on this shape to like resize the to resize your shape. Okay. So as you can see, so the next thing, as you have imported our objects, we can this tool. I know you have seen most of this too. So let me check the ones. This is your copy tool. Helps you to copy, as I said earlier, front to position, native, and color, texture, opacity, color filters. If you want to add colors or maybe change the color of your image. So when you click on it, you can see. I've seen the changes. So maybe wants it to be bright, maybe wants it to be very dark. So this dark is cool. So press code. I think so. The next thing you're going to be doing, you're going to be checking this is a stroke. You know what's like outside stroke. These are erase tool. Maybe I want to erase some part of this. This and just click on it. There is more to this erase tool which I'm not going to be looking at. So I want to erase this middle. So just press OK. You have erased it, but I don't like it. Do you like it? Yeah, I don't like it. So just this you see this stuff I'm touching. Look up. So just click on this tool, it will take us back. So this is your mask tool, this is your erase color. So maybe there's a color on this image that you want to remove. This is the tool you're going to use, this erase color to this one you're going to use. So this to rotate, this 3D rotating, this is your 3D shape as we did on the test. It's the same way on images. So let's move over to the next one. So let's move on to the next one, which is shapes, no draw. So this helps you to draw stuff. Like, okay, let me change the color blue. As you can see. Have you seen it? It helps you draw on your destiny, on your canvas. So but we'll not be needing it, so cancel. So this for your shapes. So when you click on it, you click on this box, it will show you several shapes. So this is where I actually clicked. This here. When you click here, we see some shapes that Pixellab gave us. But you can also create our own shapes using Pixellab. It all depends on what you want. So when you click here, you see different shapes. So let's use circle. So you want to reduce your opacity if you want. Anyone you want. So add color depending. So this, I believe that by now, at the part of this tutorial, you have know what all these are for. So this in blow, it helps you to blow your shape. This helps you to add stroke to your shape. I seen this stroke, so it helps you to add stroke to your shape and other stuff. So this is actually for shapes. So don't worry if you're not understanding, just take notes. The important thing is to know what the tool is all about. Then once you know what the tool is all about, when we are doing other designs and you are practicing, you get to know how to use the tool very well. So please pay attention as I explain it. So the next one is a basic tool. This one, most times you can use it to do many things. You can use it to create logos, you can use it to do other stuff. So but it will be it's a very very necessary tool in Pixellab, and we actually need more